Welcome to this episode of Beth's Best, your home for room tours, guides, and reviews. Today we are at Jiko the Cooking Place, located at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jambo House. Let's check it out. Your home for room tours, guides, and reviews. New videos posted the first Friday of every month, so hit subscribe and the bell. Welcome to Jiko! I'm so excited to show you guys this place. This is the signature restaurant at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, and it is one of my favorite Disney restaurants. The food here is fantastic. It's a mix of African, Indian, and Mediterranean cuisine. I'm going to show you around and point out some of my favorite things that you guys just have to try. First, they're going to bring you a bread service. This changes seasonally. Now let's talk about appetizers. They have elevated flatbreads and salads here, but my favorite things here, the first one is going to be the Tibbs and Brick. Oh, it's beautiful. It's deep fried and it's got like a spicy spinach filling. It's just really fantastic. You can't get it anywhere else. And the second appetizer I love here is the Taste of Africa bread service, which comes with a bunch of dipping sauces and 4 different types of bread. It's similar to the one at Sanaa, but just a more elevated version. Really good. Moving on to the entrees. They have everything here from chicken and fish, but they're known for their filet mignon. Everybody loves that with mac and cheese on the side, so if that's something that interests you, be sure to get it. We went for the West African koki corn, which is kind of like a tamale. And then we also got the Egyptian kashari, which is nice and light with tons of fresh veg. You can get that as an enhancement or as an entree portion. Moving into dessert, this is my favorite. This is the Safari Sunset. It comes with a coffee streusel topping and lemon curd. It's so good. Animal Kingdom Lodge also has one of the largest selections of South African wine outside of the continent, so check that out if you enjoy wine. They have a full cocktail list, and they also have beer available if that's more your speed. Have you dined at Jiko before? If so, I want to know what you love here. Post your favorite in the comments below. This is just one of many videos on Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. I've got videos coming out on all 4 of the restaurants at Animal Kingdom Lodge, both Jambo and Kidani. And I've got room tours of pretty much every type of room they have at the lodge, so check that out, links above and below. If you've liked this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe and share it with your fellow Disney fans, and comment below with your favorite item here and also the word helpful if you thought this video was helpful to you. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. See you real soon.